Welcome to this charming home located at 28 Ocaso in Rancho Mission Viejo, California. This incredible home resides in the prestigious community of Esencia. You're looking at 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, single story, and this home feels brand new. You still are under the 10-year builder warranty. I know you're going to love this home. Let's go take the tour. I love the elevation of this home, the stacked stone, the beautiful siding. This home is just charming. If you have interest in touring this home, please contact me directly. My name is Audra Lambert at 949-697-2232. Thanks for taking the tour.